The timer is rung. It's been 25 minutes since we put up our casserole, so let's check and see how it's doing. Always make sure that you have oven mitts when touching anything in a hot oven. You're going to pull the casserole out, and you can see that the topping on the onions has been browning nicely. The important thing you want to do at this point is make sure that it's hot enough. Now you can probably tell while holding it as to how hot it is, and you don't have to worry about it too much if this is being put together from room temperature canned items. The only time you might have to worry about the temperature and not having it cooked through is if you've used fresh green beans, frozen green beans, or you've assembled your casserole earlier in the day, put it in the refrigerator, and took it out in order to heat right before Thanksgiving dinner. So if your casserole is not quite done, you're going to stick it back in the oven at the same temperature that you had it originally, depending on how hot your oven runs. And then you're just going to let it stay in the oven for about another 10 minutes or so. You might want to check after 5 to make sure that it's being heated all the way through.